Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you me applying some buttercream and changing the shape of my nails. I will have some in real time like we are here, and then I will also have some fast forward parts that I have with music. Again, this tutorial is pretty self-explanatory, and I will add in probably some text, but in reality you probably don't really need much of me talking, but I will add bits and pieces. So I have changed this up a little bit. This is a little bit of an older video, and I actually just bought a new screen to improve my nail videos, which I think in 2 or 3 more videos you will see the new improved kind of filming and how I got there. But as of right now, we're still stuck with this. So again, I am just taking this off, and I do use a safety bit now. This one is not a safety bit, but I do go slow. I just like to take my time when removing the gel from the previous manicure. And I can link this video also in the corner up there. This was my birthday nail set, and I got a lot of compliments on the set. So I will link it up there for you. So I am applying gelish foundation. This is kind of like my back to basics. Like if I were to remove like the set, you can see I just have clear, and that's kind of how I like to work. And I think majority of nail techs as well. I am not a nail tech, but most majority of them like to come back to a base kind of clear layer. So again, you'll see some fast forward and some not. So I apply this, and then I come in with, I believe I use Cool Gel in this one. Yeah, Cool Gel. And I use my clear, and I'm going to apply my slip layer, and then kind of make my apex, and then turn it upside down, adjust it, kind of just how it feels right to you guys. And then I cure. So again, this will be in slow motion. So again, I'm applying that slip layer, and then I will come in with a nice healthy bead of gel, and I kind of just let it roll off my brush. Sometimes I can turn it sideways and it'll like plop it on, but that one was pretty easy. But if you see, I kind of angle my nail up. So technically the nail is, I should say the nail is going down, but in the video it's looking up. But like my knuckle's going up, so the nail is going down, which essentially almost makes the same gravity of if you were doing someone else's nails, and so the gel will not flood into the cuticles. So you can see I'm coming in and adjusting the apex, which I don't necessarily need a huge apex on these because they are really short. So I'm cleansing the nails, and then I'm going to come in and file. Of course, that first part was off camera because I don't have my screen yet when I film this, but I do. And I'm definitely getting better at staying in frame now that I have it, but unfortunately during this I didn't have it. But yeah, so I'm just filing. You just need a simple hand file. That's it. And then I'm buffing. So essentially we're prepping to put the buttercream on. You could do the sandwich technique, which would be thin, clear, then buttercream, and then build your apex, and then put a top of buttercream on top. But I just did all the clear underneath, and I'm just doing the buttercream on top. So here we go. We are painting the buttercream. Slow and steady wins the race. And then I apply 2 layers, cure them in between, and then a top coat. So that's pretty much it. So I will let you guys watch the video without me rambling. So, alright, I will catch you in the next one.
We about to turn it on. We about to turn it on.